Tech stocks are literally going parabolic right now. We can see here NVIDIA just reached a new all-time high. We have other technology industries that we will talk about in today's video. Some of them are also doing very impressive gains like semiconductors and more. We will also talk some of the biggest gainers here, which is Sandisk, did 4,000% in just 1 year. Just basically look at this chart, guys. Crazy gains here. It went basically from $3 billion market cap up to $231 billion. That's insane. 40x in just 1 year. And there are many other companies like this. We will talk about them. Even NVIDIA, some of the biggest stocks out here, performed quite well. We can see it here in the last few years. It's doing amazing. But yeah, Sandisk was definitely a good one. TSMC, which is Taiwan semiconductor company, they are also doing impressive gains. We can see here from 2022 it did basically around 5x. But yeah, Sandisk I think for now is unbeatable. We will talk about it also in today's video more. Which other ones we can see here are the biggest losers from today. But yeah, Micron Technology, let's check this out one also here. And we can see here also they are doing well, 770% in just 1 year. Then we have here Intel, which we bought at around $40. And right now, look at this, guys, such a big spike, almost also 483% up just this year, which is very impressive. We have AMD, which also performed super well. Actually, performed even better if you have bought it in 2025. This was, I think, around the tariff lows. Look at this, also like a 5 to 6x since then. Many other companies. So we will talk about today, and the main reason why these companies are going up like this is because of the AI hype right now, and everybody's looking to get more RAM, more memory, more computing power basically, and we have to look at these companies. Which ones will provide this computing company? We can see here Sandisk, Intel, AMD, almost all the big companies that are actually doing some chips are performing quite well. So now let's go deeper into it. Let's look at here at the semiconductors. We have some of the biggest companies right here, and yeah, strong buy all of them. Let's see which one has the biggest potential to the upside. We can see Intel 238% year to date. Then we have here Cisco, right? Some of the top gainers from today. Okay, no, we actually want to look at the deeper sectors. Let's see right here. Let's see what's trending today. Let's see. Okay. Energy sector, I think, will be also very big because all these AI companies will also need energy for their computing power. So energy is another sector that I'm looking at. Besides that, okay. Top gainer today, we already know it's actually here, Rocket Lab Corporation. This one did also very well, 34%. Just impressive, guys. Very impressive right here. What else do we have? Very interesting here. Synaptics Incorporated. Okay, Micron Technology. They are all doing 15-16% on the day. And Rocket Company. This one I don't know yet. What's this company about? Let's check it out. Wow, also very impressive gains. Did basically actually just today did like crazy gains right here. All right. I don't know this company yet, so I'm not gonna talk too much about it. It seems like they are doing maybe robots, but I'm not sure about it. Okay. For now, if you don't want to go too deep into this, I would stick to the biggest ones. And you see here, the biggest ones, let's actually rank them here by market cap. We can see are NVIDIA, Google, and also Apple, maybe TSMC. If you go with these ones, you're not doing anything wrong. These ones are the biggest gainers and they are also the most safest ones right now. If you're gonna diversify in too many smaller companies, you know, the same way these gains came, they can also go down again. So you have to be careful with that. But NVIDIA, you can see is going up basically for the last 20 something years. It's doing quite well. they're doing their job. We can see here, let's look at the year change here, guys. Look at this. Year over year, around 62% gains, which is very nice. Sometimes they have even more, sometimes not so much, because now they have already a $5 trillion market cap, guys. This is already quite huge. It's a little bit harder to move this type of capital. It's also the biggest stock right here. They were literally just fighting with Google basically for the first place. They're still the first place, but yeah, I think a couple days ago Google was the first one. Now, which other ones do we have here? If you want to pick like a more sophisticated stock, let's see here. I would do maybe AMD. AMD, it's still a safe bet and still has big upside potential. They're also doing chips and graphic cards, so I think they will do very well. So yeah, let's probably get into AMD later after this video. Now, what else do we have here? AMD seems like the safest one to do right now. I will make also more videos about stocks, so make sure you are subscribing and following this channel, because I'm gonna give some real value. If you don't know me, I'm already over 10 years in the investing markets. I bought very early Bitcoin and other stocks, so I know what to look out for and how to find early good investments. This was it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profit. See you again next time.